Welcome to our YouTube channel. If you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon for receiving more interesting updates about latest products. Today we will discuss about Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera, 2-lens kit with EF18 55mm plus f75 to 300mm lens, black. Model name, Rebel. Brand, Canon. Form factor, DSLR special feature image stabilization. Color, black. About this item. Improved Dual Pixel CMOS AF and eye detection AF 24.1 Megapixel CMOS sensor with is 100, 6400. Built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology. Working temperature range, 32 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. 9-point AF system and AI Servo AF. Optical Viewfinder with approx 95% viewing coverage. Use the EOS utility webcam beta software to turn your compatible Canon camera into a high-quality webcam. Video capture resolution, FHD 1080p. Describe. Compact and capable, the Canon EOS 1500D is a sleek entry-level DSLR featuring versatile imaging capabilities and a helpful feature set. Incorporating a 24.1 MP APS-C CMOS sensor and Digic 4 Plus image processor, the T7 produces high-resolution stills with notable clarity, reduced noise, and a flexible native sensitivity range from ISO 100/6400 for working in a variety of lighting conditions. The sensor and processor also afford shooting continuously at up to 3 FPS for photographing moving subjects, as well as Full HD 1080 30p video recording. Benefiting shooting with the Optical Viewfinder, a 9-point AF system incorporates a single center cross-type AF point for increased accuracy and focusing speed. And a contrast detection focusing system offers refined autofocus precision when recording video or photographing in live view. The rear 3.0 inches 920K LCD offers a bright, clear image for playback and review. And built-in Wi-Fi with NFC also offers the ability to wirelessly share imagery from your camera to a linked mobile device for instant online sharing. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos.